What's going on, guys? It's 2020, and of course we're gonna have a new price target video for lots of companies. We're gonna have a price target for Aurora, for Canopy, for Hexo, for Cronos, for Aphria, and even Organigram. We're gonna have a new 1-year price target for all these companies. But before we get this video started, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell if you're new here, smash that subscribe button. Also, let me know in the comment section which companies do you guys plan on purchasing in 2020. Now, we all know the sector has sold off in the past year, so a lot of these companies can either be bargains or traps. So what companies are you guys looking at for 2020? Let me know in the comment section. But for now, let's get this video started. So first things first, I'm just going to dive in right to the company you guys want to see, which of course is Aurora. First, let's take a look at how Aurora has been performing. And as you can see, Aurora has been downtrending pretty much ever since Cam Batley has sold off all his shares. I'm just joking. That's a jab at Cam Batley. So Aurora has been downtrending. We're going to take a look at their price targets, and we're going to be looking at more than just one source to try to get the best price target that we can for Aurora. So right here, we have a pretty recent article written on January 2nd of 2020, so it was written this year. Cantor Fitzgerald, I don't know how to say his name, Pablo Zuanic, reiterated an overweight rating on Aurora and lowered the price target from $5.85 Canadian, which equals to $4.50 American, to $5 Canadian, which is $3.85 American. So Aurora's price target has been lowered to $3.85 in American dollars. We're going to be looking at another source for Aurora, and right here we have a low and a medium and a high price target for Aurora. So the low price target for Aurora is $1.52, and this is in American dollars, and the medium is $3.79. The high is $5, which would equal to an 150% increase. The low would equal to a decrease of 24.1%. And we're going to look at the last and final source, and this is in Canadian, and we have a low price target of $2, an average of $4.53, and a high of $6. So as you can see, all these price targets for 2020 for Aurora have been lowered. So now we're going to go to the next company, which is one of the biggest companies in the sector right now, which is Canopy Growth. And right here we have a low price target of $16.19, and this is in American dollars, a median of $19.77, which is still a decrease of 0.7%, since Canopy right now is sitting at $19.90 American. It's almost the same story for Canopy, just like Aurora. Both these companies have been downtrending. It does recently look like Canopy has broken above this downtrend. We're going to see whether it starts trading sideways or starts uptrending right now. But as you can see, Canopy Growth's 1-year price target, not that great either, except for their high price target, which is at $25.09. And we're going to look at another source which gives a low, and this is TSE, Toronto Stock Exchange Canopy, which has a low price target of $22.08, an average of $27.84. So that would mean that Canopy would not move, and a high of $46.76, which would probably be best case scenario. Let's take a look at another source for Canopy, and we have a low of $16.19, a median of $19.77, a high of $25.09, which is an average of $20.30 for Canopy's target price. Canopy's currently sitting at $19.90 American, so that would not be a huge increase. And the final source, and I noticed that right here, Wallet Investor, I don't know if it's just this website alone, seems to be the most bearish website on the sector, right? Their 1-year forecast is $23, which isn't bad, but we're going to take a look at other companies, and we're going to just see how bearish they are on the whole sector. And we're going to move on to the next company right now, which is Cronos Inc. And let's take a look at Cronos. And I've actually recently purchased some Cronos shares. And if you guys want to know how many shares I purchased at what price, give me 100 likes, and I'll make a video explaining why I purchased Cronos and at what price. Here, the same thing for Cronos. Pretty much the whole sector has been downtrending. Cronos currently sitting at $7.13 in American dollars. And we're going to take a quick look at their price target. So as of 2019, December 28th, Saturday, the current price for Cronos was $697.75, and our data indicates that the asset price has been in a downtrend for the past 1 year. So the future price of the stock is predicted at $26.20 which is a 166% increase after a year according to our prediction system. So the regular, the least possible, and the best possible price. So the regular for Cronos is $27.74. Their average is $23.58, and their best case scenario in 1 year for Cronos would be $31.91. And all those numbers look good if they were to come true, but we all know that all these analyst price targets always change, and that's why they always update us with a new price target every month, because it's never guaranteed. And let's just look at the 5-year price target for Cronos since it's here. And in 2024, December 22nd, Cronos is predicted to be, their average would be 123, their best case would be $167, and their lower would be $145.49. So that would be really amazing for Cronos. I currently bought some shares. If you guys want to know how many shares at what price, give me 100 thumbs up and we'll check that out. We're going to look at more sources for Cronos. Right here, they have a low. This is in Canadian dollars for $10, an average of $16.22, and a high of $22.08. Cronos is currently sitting at $9.30 Canadian. We have another source for Cronos, and this is for American dollars. Cronos has a low rating of $6.40, a median rating of $9.14, which would be a 28.2% increase, and a high of $12.85, which would be an 80% increase for Cronos. And we're going to look at one more source, which gives Cronos an average 1-year price target of $12.49, a high price target of $17, and a low price target of $7.69. And that is in American dollars. And right here we have this wallet investor, which seems to be very bearish on a lot of these companies, and they're giving Cronos a 1-year forecast of $1.35 US dollars. So Cronos is currently sitting at $7.12, and they're saying that in 1 year, Cronos will go all the way down to $1.35, which won't be great because I just recently picked up some Cronos shares. So we're just looking at every price target, and this website, Wallet Investor, always seems to be the lowest, which is at $1.35. And we're going to move on to the next company, which is Hexo. And all these charts almost seem similar. They all had their peak around May and have been downtrending ever since. And Hexo is currently sitting at $1.57, and that is American dollars. Once again, we're just going to look at Wallet Investors, which seems to be very bearish on the sector, giving Cronos a 1-year forecast of 3 cents. So in 1 year, that would be ridiculous. I do own a little bit of Hexo shares. Luckily, I collected like pretty much 90% of my profits on the company. But this just shows that Hexo would be crashing if they're correct. But of course, this won't be the only source we're looking at. This website seems to be very bearish on Hexo and on the sector. Right here, Hexo has a low price target of $1.85, an average price target of $2.65, and a high price target of $5. So now we're going to be looking at another source of Hexo, which the low price target will be at $1.41. The median price target is at $1.62, which only equals to a 2.9% increase. And the high price target is at $3.80, which is a 142.2% increase. Moving on to another source right here for Canadian dollars, Cronos has a low price target of $2, an average price target of $3.70, which equals to an 80.59% upside, and a high price target of $12.50, which would probably be best case scenario. And I'm not sure if I said Cronos, I meant to say Hexo because we're still on Hexo. And this is the same thing for American dollars, a low of $1.54, an average of $2.85, and a high of $9.62 for Hexo. Now we're moving on to the next company, which is Aphria. Now this seems to be one of the few companies that doesn't really look like all the other charts. And I think mostly because Aphria has already had a huge correction due to the attack by those short sellers. We seem to have a very strong support for Aphria right here at around $4.60. But Aphria is currently sitting at $4.96. And we're going to be taking a look at Aphria's new price targets. Right here, Aphria has a low price target of $5, an average price target of $8.54, which equals to a 72.18% upside, and a high price target of $10.78. And this is in American dollars. Now we're going to be doing the same thing for Canadian. Aphria has a low price target of $6.50 Canadian, an average price target of $11.09 Canadian, and a high price target of $14 Canadian, and currently sitting at $6.42 Canadian for Aphria. Now looking at another source, Aphria has a low price target of $6.50, an average of $12.45, and a high of $26. the average price of $12.45 equals to a 93.98% upside. And we're going to move on to our final company, which is Organigram. And Organigram charts seem pretty similar to all the other charts, had a huge downfall after May. Organigram currently sitting at $2.27. And let's be taking a look at their price target. So Organigram, this is in Canadian dollars, has a low price target of $3.75, an average price target of $8.03, which would equal to a 172.13% upside, and a high price target of $17, which would be really great to see for Organigram shareholders. We're going to be looking at the same numbers, except for American dollars has a low of $2.89, an average of $6.18, a high of $13.09. And now we're going to be moving on to this article, which is Organigram has a target cut at Mackey Research, but this was written on November 12th, 2019, and they dropped their price target from $8.50 to $7.50 Canadian, and this is a 1-year price target. And we're going to be looking for the final source, and this is in American dollars. Organigram has a low price target of $2.88, an average of $6.18, and a high of $13.08. Anyways, that's it for this video. Of course, a lot of these prices have been lowered. These price targets will always change, so I'll be updating you with the latest analyst price targets throughout the year. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell if you're new here, smash that subscribe button. Once again, let me know in the comment section if you guys plan on purchasing any of these companies, or if there's any other companies you want me to do a price target on. But for now, that's it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.